Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you fix Ikea Symfonisk speaker lamp not working with Wi-Fi. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, there's a few steps here that you need to do to basically reset, or in this case, fix your Symfonisk speaker lamp. So in this case, you need to factory reset your Ikea Symfonisk speaker lamp. So start by unplugging the speaker. You can do this by disconnecting the power cable from either the lamp or the wall outlet. Just remember to leave one end of the power cable connected for the next step. Now, next is you need to press and hold the play or pause button on the speaker. This button is crucial for initiating the reset process. Now in this case, while still holding the play or pause button, plug the power cable back into the lamp or the wall, depending on where you unplugged it earlier. Now, as soon as you power it back on, keep holding the button. You should see a small light on the speaker starting to flash white. So this is a good sign that in this case, it's actually saying that it's beginning, or in this case, the reset process is actually starting. So keep holding the play button until the light changes from white to orange. This may take a few seconds. Now after a few moments, the light will change again, and this time to green. This indicates that the speaker has been successfully reset and is now ready to be set up as a new device. Now, in this case, you can go ahead and start resetting, or in this case, setting up your speaker as you would. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.